So let's talk about the different types of volcanoes that there are. And these are kind of put into different groupings by what they're composed of and also what sort of shape they have or what they look like on the landscape. Let's start out with shield volcanoes. So shield volcanoes, as the name implies, kind of looks like a shield that's sitting upward. And it's made when a magma chamber, the magma from the magma chamber comes to the surface through a pipe, comes out through the vent. And then what's coming out of this volcano would just be lava flow after lava flow after lava flow. And over time, that'll form all these different layers here, and that will build up from the orange surface here until we get something that looks like a solid volcano. These lava flows are made up of rocks that have a lot of iron and magnesium in them, but they don't have as much of the silica in them. The silica is what we find in quartz and other igneous rocks. They don't have as much silica, and they tend to flow very easily. They're not like a sticky kind of flow. They just flow away from the vent of the volcano and form these shield volcanoes. This tends to happen in places where people live, like Iceland and Hawaii. We just get lava flow after lava flow after lava flow. People that live there avoid the lava flows while they're happening, and life goes on. It's not that kind of volcano that releases a lot of pyroclastic debris and has volcanic ash flowing through the air and kind of makes areas uninhabitable for years and years. So this would just be some lava flows on a shield volcano. And this is Mauna Loa. It's the part of the big island of Hawaii. It's one of the shield volcanoes there. And we can see this looks very different than a volcano like Mount Hood or Mount Shasta in the western United States. It's broad. It doesn't come to a peak like an inverted V shape. And that's because this is a shield volcano, and the shield volcano extends all the way to the bottom of the ocean. The type of lava making this up is it cools into a rock that we call basalt. This is another type of igneous rock, but basalt is fine-grained. So in this rock, we'd have a hard time seeing many individual minerals in this rock, but all of those minerals are rich in iron, rich in magnesium. That's what gives it the dark color. They're more dense, heavier, and that's the type of lava that we have coming out of these shield volcanoes, and that cools into a rock. This lava is going to cool into a rock, as it has back here, into a rock that we call basalt, B-A-S-A-L-T. And basalt is by far the most common mineral on the surface of the earth. It forms all of our ocean floors, and a lot of that is forming at these mid-oceanic ridges where magma is coming right up to the surface and forming volcanic lava flows that are flowing down the side here, and also in the volcanic island chains like Hawaii. These are built up as hotspots from the base of the ocean floor. All of that area shown in purple and blue on this map would be basalt.